Hey everyone, what if I told you that getting rich isn't just about earning more, but about managing the money you already have smarter? Today, let's uncover one of the simplest yet most powerful wealth formulas, the 50-30-20 rule. Alright, let's break it down. The 50-30-20 rule is your ultimate guide to controlling your finances effortlessly. Here's how it works. First up, the big 50%. This portion of your income goes towards your needs. Think necessities like rent, bills, groceries, basically all the essentials you can't live without. Imagine this as your financial foundation. Next, we've got the 30%. This slice is for your wants. Yes, you heard that right. Fun time. Whether it's shopping, dining out, catching a movie, or even a weekend getaway, this part ensures you enjoy life while staying within your budget. And finally, the golden 20%. This is the most crucial piece of the puzzle. This is where you save and invest. Think of it as paying your future self. This portion goes into your savings account, investments, and anything that helps grow your wealth and secure your financial future. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. So, there you have it. The 50-30-20 rule. A simple yet brilliant way to spend wisely and build financial freedom. But hold on, this is just the beginning. In the next video, I'll reveal an even better money formula, the 70-10-10-10 rule used by millionaires. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.